In this video, I will show you how to get your repost videos on TikTok. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this, as you can see now, let's say I want to repost this video. Let's find a video that I want to repost. Let's say I want to repost this video. As you can see this video now, if I want to repost the video, tap on this share button. Tap on this share button. After you tap on this share button, tap on this repost button. As you can see here, it says you reposted this video. Here is it. As you can see here, it says you reposted, means I repost this video. So if I want to check the reposted video, all I have to do now, I'll tap on my profile. After you open your profile, as you can see now, tap on this section. As you can see now, this two arrow, tap on it, the middle section. After you come to this section, as you can see now here is the video that I just reposted. Here is it now. Now tap on the video. As you can see now, here is the video now. As you can see, here is the video. If I go back, as you can see now I can be able to see all the videos that I reposted on my TikTok account. Here is it, guys. Here is the video now. If you want to remove the video, all you have to do now, tap on the video. So after you open the video, as you can see like this one, let's say I want to remove the video from the repost section. So I'll tap on this report you reposted section. So tap on this you reposted again, and tap on this remove repost. So now if I go back now, as you can see now, the video has disappeared because I removed the video from the list of the video that I reposted on my TikTok account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.